Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to screen record on Android in 2025. Let's begin. First you want to expand your control center and then you want to find your screen recorder. As you can see, mine is right here. However, if you don't see your screen recorder, I would simply advise you to add it to your control center. You can easily do that by clicking the pencil icon, simply finding the screen recorder at the bottom of the list and dragging it onto your control center, just like I did with location. Then you want to simply press arrow and as you can see your screen recorder should be here. And in order to simply screen record something, you want to press screen recorder. Then you can choose if you want to record only one application or the whole screen. Let's set the whole screen. And then you have the ability to choose if you want to record audio as well. And as you can see, we can even click if you want to have the device audio, so everything, only the microphone or device audio and microphone. So let's hit both of these. You can also enable show touches on screen and then all you want to do is simply hit record screen. Now as you can see, we are recording officially and whatever I will say will be recorded. In order to stop the recording, all you want to do is expand your notifications and then simply hit stop. So as you can see, now we are processing screen recording and we can click on it. And as you can see, our screen recording is complete. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.